Look crisp. Dude, I always like how they film that the intros for these for the start of the series, like when they're introducing the participants. I like how they already do it. I know what a lot of stuff I realized by watching this show because as I said I watched the previous seasons and I realized a lot of stuff in this show, man. I wish I was reacting to this like before because a lot of time when I'm watching this I rage, man, because some of the stupidity that I've seen in this show. It's crazy. Crazy, man. Oh my god. Some beautiful girls already. Some attractive dudes. Oh, they got two brothers that in. You know what? Normally, don't see they put two brothers in like the beginning. Always like one brother, one black girl, one black guy. Well, they got two this time. Not gonna lie, I love British accent, like females, like either females with the British accent. Sounds sexy as shit, man. Ah, she got a bigger. To me, I think Asia is way better, bro. Seriously. I know that they're whoring out there too, but it's way better than the West, man. Seriously. I don't have a problem with it because if the girls are easier for me to smash, so I don't really care. But when I think about looking for a wife or a good mother or something like that, uh, that's the problem. You know what's funny? I like when women meet each other because they act so like super nice, even if they hate the person. Because women are normally sociable creatures, they're more pleasant. So they will just pretend like they're like, God, move the fuck out of the way, bruh. Let's show the women, they're perfect. Dude, she, to me, so far, I think this girl have the hottest body. And she look, I don't know if she's black or what, but she look black, but she could be mixed. Dude, this is so. I don't know, man. That's why I like watching the show because they just see how everybody acts. Wow, she the nanny? Holy crap. I wonder how she actually looks. I think she looked the best. Amber, I think Amber looked the best. I think that is Paige. No, it's not Paige. I don't remember what's her name, but the fourth girl that came in have the best body, and the Amber, the one that just came in, have the prettiest face. I think she's little, man. I don't know what the fuck that is. 19? Damn. She's young as fuck. Oh, wait. Shit, I know that some of them is like 20 odd years old. Like 24, 25, I think. Time I didn't expect him to look like that because his voice sounds so cartoonish. I didn't expect him to actually look like how he look.
Well, you thought that you'd all be stepping forward for the boys that you fancy the most, yeah? However, this is Love Island, and you never know what to expect. For the first time ever, we asked the public to play Cupid.
Whoa! Something different.
The boy they thought should couple up.
Because from they normally just said step forward, but the girl always step forward for the guy.
How are you feeling? Is this a good thing? The decision's out of your hands. It's up to the
I don't get it. What's her problem with the guy having ugly shirt? I don't understand. So, are you looking gonna date his shorts, or are you gonna date the person? You see what I'm talking about, guys? It's so stupid, man. Like, I can't work with ugly chunks.
any longer.
I'm like,
Meet.
really? Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, welcome, Dammy. How are you, Dammy? Brand new villa. I'm sorry. What do you think of the girls so far?
10 out of 10 all around. You even look better in person as well.
Oh, nice.
This dude.
The Irish charm I hear already.
This dude, bro. This is 10 out of 10 bullshit.
Stunning girl standing in front of you.
That's crazy, bro. Nobody's 10 out of 10, bro. Let's be real.
Asking you
If you're 10 out of 10, that means they're perfect.
you'd like to couple
Hmm.
up with.
Okay.
That decision, it's already been made.
Really? Oh, for real? That is funny. Okay. I'm game. Cool.
By the public.
Oh, okay. That is interesting.
Dammy, as you can see, we have 5 stunning girls standing in front of you.
Wait, are they gonna make the girls kind of choose first and then
We've got India,
they use the public guessing?
Paige,
That'll be very interesting to see.
Dammy, the girl that the public have decided you will couple up with. If have decided you will couple up with. If.
Dude, the suspense is very good, but as I said, the music is playing in the background. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this. Okay,
Over and say hello to Amber.
but I wonder if Amber would have chosen him. To oh wow, he's kind of tall.
A little handshake.
Which
Oh,
side?
was it-
Always.
We have our first Love Island couple of 2022.
Dude, I don't know if she'd want. Well, when it finished, she's gonna actually mention it.
No control.
No.
Are you happy with the public's decision?
I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, we'll see.
Damn it.
Woo!
I'm happy.
You willing to give things a go?
Yeah, definitely.
Here's a good
You've got no choice, basically.
True.
That's true, bro. I don't got any choice, bro.
Left. You ready to meet our next boy? Yes. Here's Liam.
Oh wait,
Got some good reactions.
who is he again? Wait, what did Liam do again? I wonder if he's the guy that felt the chef.
Wow. Hey. That's mad.
Yeah.
No, yeah, no, that's crazy. Like, I thought I'd have a little bit of a say, but hopefully I'm in safe hands.
Okay, Liam, the girl you're coupling up with is
Dude, no freaking commercials again, please. No commercial, bruh. Just play the damn thing through.
Gemma.
Oh, wait, that's kind of okay.
Okay.
So 22 and 19. Look at her face. Look at her face. It's like, I'm not
Liam,
exciting right now.
did the public choose wisely?
Yeah, no, definitely. I'm a happy man.
Dude,
100%.
oh, he got the waist.
Yeah, he's cute.
He got the waist.
I'm happy.
Nice eyes.
Yeah, really nice.
So we have our second Love Island couple of 2022, Gemma and Liam. Well, girls, you don't need to worry because there's still lots more single boys to come. Are you ready to meet our next boy? Say hello to Akana.
I kinda, oh, so like an African.
Hey,
So like an African name. Got two brothers.
hey.
Two brothers. I look at her face, he's like,
Shoes on.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely painful. It's more nice too. What about you, Akana?
I'm gassed.
You have a big smile on your
Oh,
face.
no, I'm gassed.
You think the public have got it right?
Yeah.
We have our
He's lying.
couple of
He's lying.
Love Island 2022, India and Akana.
Dude,
Okay,
they're like
three
forced to
couples,
be nice,
two
so
lovely
they're not gonna
single
say there
girls
what they
still.
actually feel.
Tasha, you're looking a little bit nervous.
Yeah, it's like the waiting game. Literally, I just want to know like who I'm with. So literally like,
Paige, still have that big smile on your face. Excited? Tasha.
Oh, guessing I'm losing.
yeah, you. Good.
Guess I'm losing, bruh.
Tasha. Happy?
Very happy.
Yeah?
Like a bit of me, a bit cheeky, good vibes. I can feel it already.
Okay. Andrew?
Yeah, very happy.
Andrew's very happy.
Very happy.
Okay, very good.
See how they British people always use cheeky. Cheeky, what is that? Is that like
We now
like have a little
couples and only
rudeness
single
to
girls.
his attitude, like a little
So Paige, this is
raw
you.
vibes, like not boring, like could give a little
How you
ranchy
feeling?
feel. I don't know.
Like all my confidence is now gone.
Paige are Gemma and Liam, India and Akana, Tasha and Andrew, and Amber and Dami. And you may have noticed, Luca, there's one single girl still, Paige. But there's something I need to fill you in on,
I don't know, man. I feel like
except you.
season 7
You look
they
terrible.
have some better contestant, like earlier contestant. Season 7
Decision has
they
been
have
made.
some better
Ready?
contestant. I'm just being honest, bruh.
Do you see where this might be going?
Yeah, it's pretty obvious, isn't it?
Everybody look kinda not really normal, but
Great. So the girl, Luca, that you're coupling up with is, you'll be shocked for this. Lovely Paige. Off you go. Yeah, that was easy, wasn't it? You didn't have to work for it at all.
that's so interesting.
Paige, you had to wait till the very end.
Yeah, the suspense literally killed me.
Is Luca worth the wait?
We will soon see.
Okay.
Oh, you're not way to worth, buddy.
Paige and Luca.
And everybody gotta go there one side and
Okay,
talk.
that's it.
Can't wait for the friggin' gossip.
No, but you got a good bum.
It's not big though.
Yeah, but not huge though. Like we're not talking about like Kim Kardashian things. Nah. Good size. I'm into pretty girls, good looking girls.
Fair enough.
You know,
So
like
what's your dating history been like?
I've only been in one relationship.
Okay.
Not really dated properly though.
My last long-term relationship was like 4 years ago.
Okay.
It was my first relationship. I've only been in one relationship.
Same.
Yeah.
That's mad, you know.
And just been like dating after
Yo,
that.
India, that's mad.
Really?
We've both been in one relationship.
Is that so surprising?
Yo, our names both start with the I. Both been in one relationship.
Am I happy? I'm not sure. I mean, it's early days. But we must have something in common if the public have put us together. So yeah.
India, listen. India can look like Nicki Minaj, you know, a little bit.
Like all my exes are so different.
Okay.
But like normally, I would say quite tall, brunette,
Yeah.
bit of a beard, tattoos.
Okay. Alright.
So yeah, I understand why they would have picked you
Yeah,
in
fair
like
enough.
90s. So what was your type?
You know, it's weird. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't really have a type, bro. My type is just look normal, average, and have a brain.
First time for
That's my type. Just be smart and just look average, and that's it. I'm just gonna be honest, bro.
More of a relationship, lads, I'd say.
So you
Single
like,
life is like, it's fun, but like, I'd say for like a month.
Because I don't care what color hair you got,
I've only had 2
the
weeks.
eyes you got. Just look
Longer than 5
nice.
months, so
What?
yeah.
Just look decent. It's a 5 or a 6,
Yes,
and I'm good.
really been in a long-term
I don't need no 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't care about that.
Eye contact to me is so important. I feel like we're giving us that, but obviously he's like an onion. As you remember, he's a little onion, and I've not even peeled back the first layer yet. So hopefully he's a good onion on the inside because it's about the inside that counts.
How long have you been doing modelling then for?
I've been doing it for a year and a half now,
You know?
and I've been dancing ever since I was 5.
You were dancing.
Dancing. Wait, what kind of dancing?
Flexible for that,
No, you don't have to be flexible.
Wait, is it like a stripper dancer or what kind of dancer?
I think I will find out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you gotta be.
Alright, so what's your go-to date?
The last date I took a girl, I took her up in a plane.
That's a pretty out there date to be fair.
Yeah, it's got to stand out the first one.
Can't top that.
After
can
that,
you?
you go Nando's every week. What's your favourite sex position? There's a question.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. That's crazy. This dude tell you what they think favorite sex position.
Do you want to show me it quick?
No. I'm
Explain
alright.
it.
What about you?
Oh my god, this dude is like
When the girl like lies on the bottom, obviously, like
So
on the
you're
side,
on the mattress, back on the mattress.
lying on my front,
Yeah, okay.
and then you know like how girls sleep usually with like the one leg like half bent sort of
Yeah.
thing, and the other leg straight, and then you know.
Home,
Yeah.
like home.
Yeah.
Where you live.
Yeah.
12 horses. Must have a big house though. If you got like, actually no, it's outside to keep the horses, isn't it? Just stables.
Yeah. What do you do again? I've not even asked you.
So I've just finished like basically all my studies.
Right. Okay. So what do you study?
Just finished a masters now in strength and conditioning.
Right. Okay.
So like, do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Strength and conditioning.
that's what I'm saying. What kind of
Don't be a dick.
No, what do you think it is? Because
No, right, I'm not playing that stupid game.
Those people get it wrong.
Right, okay, so you've just finished in strength and conditioning,
Yeah.
yeah?
Yeah.
So how long were you studying for?
4 years.
Oh shit. So what do you want to do?
Going forward, going into like sport performance type stuff. So like working in football teams and with athletes and stuff.
dude? She's pissed already. She's like, there'll be a dick. But what kind of work does she do? Because she's 19, a freaking 12. Dude, I'm just realizing what she said. She have 12 freaking horses.
Nah, not really. I stopped
What is the price for one horse?
playing. You've been with an ex-footballer, so.
No?
That's probably like a lot of money for one horse, right?
Oh. Why did you ask
It's
me?
crazy.
I'm interested.
Oh, right, okay.
I'm gonna look up a price for a horse, bro, because I didn't even realize because she mentioned that she have one horse. I know she said she had 12, so I don't know if all 12 is hers, but I'm gonna have to see what's going on in that situation.
And the fishmonger's favourite sex position, surprise, surprise, involves oysters.
Yes, I want to see what they look like without the makeup. Dude, this guy have the look, right? He got like the alpha look, like the masculine look, the beard and everything.
Like shotgun that guy. He sounds Italian. Is he Italian? I've dated Italians before.
I can fancy either a blonde or a brunette.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Different guys, yeah. When I walked into the villa, I saw the girls really impressed. I'm not gonna lie.
This dude.
I'm not threatened, but
Good looking lad.
looking lad at me. Yeah, what?
Yeah, at least they know.
That was
At least they know.
good looking as well, so.
Got a beard.
I wanna see the gym.
He's cute.
He's good looking.
No, I thought everyone's gonna be fighting over this guy.
Yeah.
Is he your type?
He's good
Oh shit.
I forgot all names.
No, don't worry. You can't remember Luca, the only Italian
Luca,
name.
yeah, okay, Luca.
There you go. Davide, fucking hell. Oh my god. I was thinking I'm the good looking Italian here, and you sent that geezer through the door. Before we bring him in juice.
Damn, look at that. Every eyes are over Davide.
Just the one. Where's your accent from?
Italy.
Italy. Are you Italian? Oh wow. He's like tall, muscly. He's just Italian. Italian's just fit. Yeah, that's all I really have to say on him at the moment.
Damn, that's crazy. Mr. Steely girl.
Italian charm. And a tissue box that looks like it's been decorated by a small talentless child. Give it dares, anyone?
Who wants to play a really fun game of dare? Do a striptease.
Oh my god. It's like they set up this one, bruh. It's like, look at this. Why is the dude clapping, man? Holy sh.
Challenge of Love Island 2020.
Why did they, dude, it's like they actually planned that shit, bruh.
Risky.
They planned that.
Are the trousers as well?
Fucking hell, Italian stallion.
So that typically kiss the finger of an island that you fancy the most.
I feel like the game of dares was really fun. It was a great icebreaker.
Oh!
To kiss my finger and sucked it.
You said they say kiss, man, not suck the finger. Kiss seductively, man.
Dancing was very serious.
That's actually true, bro. This dude was like, oh, I'm going all in.
Tusa went to perform a Magic Mike dance on you. It's not fair.
Please do not pick me. Gemma wouldn't give Liam his lap dance. I felt so awful. He wanted to choose me, and I was sort of like, absolutely not.
I'll be nice. I'll pick Paige.
Dude, Gemma is like, she's 19. She's gonna be the spoiled brat, I'm guessing.
You have to pick someone else, and I got the brunt of it.
Gemma's gonna be a spoiled brat, man. I'm got.
That's all you're getting, okay?
She did well. Very well.
Kiss the islander you want to share a bed with. Who are you sharing a bed with? Liam.
And who do you want to share a bed with?
Oh, I know who. And then it was my turn to like kiss someone.
Oh! Ooh.
Oh my god, that's absolutely brutal. Davide is the guy that I'm most attracted to, but yeah, I did feel a bit guilty.
Oh, Liam!
Like, screwed me a bit.
Dude, you don't give a fuck, bro. You don't care.
Three sexual positions with different islanders each time.
Dude, she don't care, man. She talking like she care about Liam, bro. Liam, she don't give a fuck. That was so light. She's the smallest. She's so light, bro. What are you gonna? Dude, what is going on here, bro? This is so funny.
Showed him what I can do.
Suck the toe of the island that you fancy.
Oh no. Oh no.
That to suck someone's toe, but you know. Man's on his knees. No, it's in a dress. Like I tried it.
Oh my god. I don't know what's going on, bro.
Of your choice.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
So I just thought maybe give me a little bit of a surprise present.
Dude, I just think this is so cringe, man. This is literally cringe, bro. Is that the fake one? Is that the fake one?
Massage the person in the villa that you like the most.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's easy, and he's got his toes up.
Come on, man.
Probably like twice the size of my head.
Yo, you got the big ass feet, man. That is huge.
Boat feet.
Deliver your best online to the girl you fancy the most.
Oh my god, dude.
Why can't I?
Oh.
I've got a good one. Tash, fancy giving us a Tash?
No.
Enjoy some hot gossip, and by the looks of it, some very hot prosecco.
How are you not feeling after that game?
Mixed emotions.
You can just smell the girls up here, can't you? Stinks.
Like so many underlying feelings that people aren't
I
admitting
feel like
to.
because me and Aken have been put together, yeah, there's so much pressure for him to win.
That's why I think Danny
So like he
nervous.
was like not all over me on the challenge, but like, do you really want to pick me or are you picking me because we've been together?
I do like Danny though, but I feel like he just genuinely cares. I feel like he just gets mad, but just because he feels like
You guys
that, yeah, and then I'd be pissed for thinking.
I tell you what, I was like saying to Liam, do not make me do that dance, and he didn't, and then I screwed him over again. So
Wow. Listen, how are we doing the clean up and they're leaving it like this? Wow.
They're up there. Maybe they're up there because. Where? Oh, they're up there. Oh my god, they went through our fucking dirty dressing room. If they're on the terrace, they went through our dirty dressing room.
Filthy.
Embarrassing. No, they don't. No, but mine.
Of course they care. They just said it.
I'm obsessed with like romantic books and like mafia books and like all that kind of thing. So
Really?
I set my expectation for relationships to be like somewhere up here.
Wait, it's because it's Italian you're talking about you love mafia book.
The books, and then I'm just like disappointed. I'm like, some
Then
people like
stop
them,
basing your freaking relationship off the books.
you could have a conversation.
Dude, no wonder why
Did you just get attacked?
the fifth, what's it called again? 50 Shades of Grey was a bestseller. Because women just fall for all of this bullshit, man. Like, seriously.
Oh my gosh!
So the message says, Davide, in 24 hours you will couple up with a girl of your choice.
Wow.
Leaving one boy single and vulnerable. Hashtag Italian snack. Hashtag ciao bella.
Oh. I feel like Gemma or Gemma or the blonde is gonna be.
Hours, okay. I feel I've got the power. Who doesn't like to have the possibility to choose? In the next 24 hours, I'm gonna get to know better all the girls.
24 hours!
And by the end of the day, we will see who will be the luckiest one. Now.